some ways in which you can take that and make it practical, because it's important you do it throughout your day, because there's all stresses coming in your day. There's news feeds about, COVID-19, there's, distressing images and all those sort of things. So all these things are going to have a stress response on your body. So it's important that you do things throughout your day to keep that stress hormones regulated. And so here's some, I guess, ways in which you can do that. You can get out in the morning and do some your exercise, get some sunlight. Then I guess at lunchtime, again, it's just walking around the block or going to the park. So nature is very calming and relaxing. If you live near the ocean, just going down, watching the waves break, breathing in the fresh air. In the evening, that's when you can, jump onto like a meditation app or do some breathing exercises. There's so many breathing exercises if you just Google it. There's the Wim Hof technique. There's yoga techniques. There's so many exercises. So it's just finding what works for you and making sure you're doing it consistently throughout the day.